For the moment, the person of the moment is really Sunil Mittal, founder and chairman of Bharti Enterprises. He, of course, expects 2017 to be a turbulent year for telecom industry, as 2016 was. But he's also spoken about Bharti Infratel sale. But he's also speaking about consolidation in the sector. So just listening to this chat, it could be very important for markets.
We have to focus more on the market, very clearly more networks, more technology. Pricing is already being disrupted with free, as you know. Everybody's coming up with their own offering. Vodafone-Idea, us, everybody's kind of jumping in with counter pricing to protect their turf. So it's going to be interesting year of turbulence. 2017 will be a difficult year from revenue generation, will be tough on margins, but equally it's going to start to clear a lot of issues in the telecom industry, regulatory-wise, competition-wise, small players consolidation. So I would say if you meet sometime next year here, you could be finally down to those 4 players in the market.
Let me ask you about what is being speculated on at this point in time, and that is the big mega merger, Vodafone and Idea. Since you talk to everybody, what are you hearing on that?
Well, I talk to them as well. My own view is everybody's looking at everything, but these are big moves. I mean, these are not small moves which can be done over coffee. Serious consideration and thoughtfulness will have to be given to such mergers. There are overlaps, there are spectrum cap issues. But I'm still saying 4. Can it go down to 3? The answer is not impossible.
Not impossible. But do you think that this, in the realm of possibility, how high would this mega merger be?
Depends on how much pain this disruption causes. If the pain is great, the possibility becomes high.
But in terms of revenue market share, you're at a 7-year high. What kind of headroom do you believe, given the kind of disruptive environment we're seeing for growth for you specifically, there is?
Well, look, my own view is the overall revenue table is not going to grow this year, given all the disruption that is there on pricing. But within that table, which may be same or slightly lower on revenue, we expect to gain market share from here.
But you expect revenue could perhaps even decline?
It could perhaps decline.
Since we're talking about exits and mergers, etc., Bharti Infratel now, and what is the what is the plan? What is the update? Talks of KKR being the front runner. How much are you likely to offload? Will you offload entirely? What is the story on Bharti Infratel?
We have had interest from many people in the past. As you know, we did the IPO. No, first we did the private equity sale to a clutch of investors, including KKR and GIS and Temasek. Then we did the IPO, and after that we've done follow-on sales. And we are now down to about 72% share. We have been approached by people, controlling stake, minority stakes.
Are you open to giving up on controlling stake?
I don't know. We have set up a committee which will look at all these offers, which will be given to the committee, and then we'll see what...
Is this a priority to get this done in 2017?
No. I wouldn't call it a priority. But equally, we have divested towers in Africa, and we have divested nearly 28% stake in Infratel. So it's something we are open to, but is this something...
What would tip the scale for you to be able to do this? Valuation would obviously just be one metric, I would imagine.
My own view is also a strategic view on the towers. How important is it for the mobile companies? Should you part with the asset, and at what price do you part with? Infratel has seen 500 rupees a share, has seen 150 rupees a share. What's the right price point for the shareholders to feel comfortable? And finally, I must say that Infratel and Indus both are doing very well. They are the best-in-class tower company in India. Even our biggest competitor now, the new competitor, Jio, is taking a lot of sites in that.